Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today we're comparing two powerful contenders in the GPU market. The SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5080 OC Edition and the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti. The ASUS RTX 5080 is designed for high-end gaming and professional use, boasting advanced features like a vapor chamber for cooling and PCIe 5.0 support. On the other hand, the MSI RTX 5060 Ti offers great performance at a more accessible price point, making it a solid choice for gamers on a budget. Join us as we explore their specifications, cooling solutions, and overall performance to see which card reigns supreme. When it comes to performance, the ASUS RTX 5080 outshines the MSI RTX 5060 Ti. With a boost clock of 2,685 MHz and advanced cooling technologies like axial tech fans and a vapor chamber, the RTX 5080 is designed for high-end gaming and demanding applications. In contrast, the MSI RTX 5060 Ti, while still powerful, is positioned as a mid-range option, offering solid performance for casual gaming and everyday tasks. Both cards feature 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, but the RTX 5080's architecture and design allow it to handle more intensive workloads with ease. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS RTX 5080 utilizes a vapor chamber and phase change GPU thermal pad, ensuring optimal thermal management and performance stability. The axial tech fans provide excellent airflow, making it suitable for small form factor builds. Meanwhile, the MSI RTX 5060 Ti features TORX Fan 4.0 and core pipe technology, which also offers efficient cooling but may not match the advanced solutions found in the RTX 5080. Both cards are designed to keep temperatures in check, but the ASUS card takes the lead in this category. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a graphics card. The ASUS RTX 5080 comes with a premium price tag of $1,399, reflecting its high-end performance and advanced features. In contrast, the MSI RTX 5060 Ti is priced at a much more accessible $554, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. While the RTX 5080 offers superior performance, the RTX 5060 Ti provides excellent value for those who may not need the highest specifications. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and performance needs. In conclusion, both the ASUS RTX 5080 and MSI RTX 5060 Ti have their strengths and cater to different audiences. The RTX 5080 is a powerhouse for serious gamers and professionals, while the RTX 5060 Ti offers great performance at a budget-friendly price. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.